This event is very interesting for both the nuclear industry and the environmental movement because it puts together the two things. Many people are afraid of nuclear power, but in fact nuclear power is not a problem, it is a solution to some of the main questions that humanity faces today. Global warming, but also the energy supply and how to power the future of humanity. The countries who have the highest standards of living today are those who have nuclear power to produce their energy. The United States, Canada, Europe, especially France, Russia. So this is a good thing, it's positive. We should not be afraid. There's radiation everywhere around us in nature. Radiation coming from the sky, it's called cosmic radiation. The sun is a giant nuclear hydrogen reactor which is making life possible on our small, fragile planet. And so there's radiation absolutely everywhere in nature, even in our own body, 10,000 becquerels. This means 10,000 times every second there's an atom splitting in our body. So this is absolutely natural, we should not be afraid of it, and it is a great way to success. It's a great way to protecting nature because of what I call the factor 1 million. Just 1 gram of uranium produces as much energy as 1 ton of oil. Now 1 gram to 1 ton, that is a really huge difference. It means that the footprint, the damage that we are inflicting to the planet, the scar when we take the material in the mines, is 1,000,000 times less. Can you imagine that difference? It's the closest we can get to not harming the planet at all. It means it's a clean energy. We finally have found the clean energy that has both a small footprint, that is abundant, that you don't need to store, you can press the button and it works when you need it. And it has a name, it's nuclear energy. It's just that simple. So as environmentalists, we support nuclear power. There are 2 types of environmentalists. The old-fashioned type is against technology, it's against progress, it's against success, and it's also against nuclear power. We are pro-nuclear for the civilian uses. Of course, we're not in favor of Hiroshima bombs. We're in favor of the civilian applications of nuclear power, both for medicine, for human health, and for power production. So this is very useful. I myself live in a positive energy eco house in the close suburbs of Paris, and I drive an electric car. This means I am one of the first zero carbon citizens, because it all happens in France, which produces its electricity 95% without carbon, almost 100% clean. So this is an example for the rest of the world that a zero carbon lifestyle is absolutely possible. So yes, humanity will survive beyond the end of oil, after the end of gas. And we have the solution, and it's already proven it works. Just look at the example of France. And the rest of the world can enjoy similar benefits in the future. So we have enough energy for tens, if not hundreds of thousands of years, millenniums. So humanity has a long and happy life in front. But we should make the right choices, and for this we must be pro-nuclear because it is a solution for our future. So our organization EFN, that stands for Environmentalists for Nuclear, is very much in favor of a safe and clean use of nuclear energy for power production. It's a solution, it works. We're very lucky we have it, in fact, because we could be just falling off the cliff and die. We're not doomed. So the ecologists are wrong. The anti-nuclear guys, when they say we're doomed, we're not. We have the solution. Let's use it. Thank you. Join us.